So what you want to do is you want to head over to your preferred web browser. I'm using Chrome in this example. Click on the profile and in the search bar type Play Store on Windows. Click on the first link that pops up and then click download. It is the green button. On Chrome the downloads pop on the top right, so for you it should be wherever it is, and then after you want to click on it and wait a few seconds. Depending on the speed of your computer, it should pop up now or in a few seconds later. In my case it popped up a few seconds later, and you want to click install and choose the path. Click install, and you want to wait a few seconds later and say yes, and it is busy loading. As you can see, it is busy downloading, and it is approximately 786 megabytes. Now depending on your Wi-Fi speed, it should take from 10 to 15 minutes, or it could take an hour. I'm going to fast forward the video and I'll see you when the process is done. We're at 90%. Once it's done, follow the next steps and Google Play Store beta should be installed on Windows 10.